up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I did a wash day with 100% black owned brand. Yeah, all of these brands are black owned and you can find them at either your local Sephora, your local store like Walmart, Target. You can find these products anywhere. You can find them on a company website. And yeah, I just want to show you all how I pretty much really clarify my scalp, deep condition my hair. I use two new products. I use one from Briogeo, one from Adwoa Beauty, and then I use two products that I typically hadn't used in a wash and go combo. Y'all gonna see a wash and go combo in here that I did, like y'all gonna see the wash and go results. That was from me doing finger coils or like shingling it. I would never shingle my hair again at this length because it literally gave me so much shrinkage. So this wash and go is in this that I have right now is me using those same products, but I did it just the regular wash and go way. I did not end up shingling my hair, but the wash and go did end up lasting about a week. It's honestly lasted a decent amount of time. So these products and the combination that I used, the products for the actual wash and go, were a really good you know, pair. And that's really that. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post bell notification so that you never miss when I upload. Yeah, so what's up and welcome to my shower. I usually don't even do voiceovers in the shower, but today I wanted to really give y'all my first impressions of these products. And sometimes I be forgetting stuff when I do the voiceover, so I'm like, let me just give y'all my first impressions of this stuff. I just took out my Faux locks. I did a hot oil treatment, and right now there's like some deep conditioner in my hair. So today I'm actually going to be trying out Briogeo's Scalp Revival Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. So it does have plant-based exfoliators to help gently remove dead skin and impurities from the scalp and hair. My hair was feeling a little itchy and flaky, so I definitely just want to give this a try. So that's basically what we're going to be doing and giving you all my first impressions and letting you know if it's worth it. So let's begin. All right, so my hair is completely soaked and it's wet. My scalp is definitely itchy, so I'm trying to see if it's gonna make my scalp not itch anymore. So this is what the product actually looks like, and you can definitely tell it has like some micro beads or like some micro exfoliants inside of it. It does have a nice minty smell, and I do like that in my products. So now I'm just going to begin applying it to my scalp. And a little bit, honestly, just initially, that a little bit goes a very long way. And I like that immediately it starts to lather. And like any shampoo, you definitely just want to focus it on the scalp. So off rip, I can definitely say that I like how it feels on the scalp. It's not super tingly and cooling, but I think that's pretty much okay. One critique I would give right now, I wish that like the exfoliating experience, or like, you know, what they're using as the microbeads inside of the exfoliant, were a little bit larger. Not to the point where it's like, how the fuck am I about to rinse this out of my hair, but so that you can kind of feel it a little bit more. So to kind of maybe hopefully, you know, get that feeling or deepen that feeling, I am going to go in with the Scalp Massager. And this is one that I am actually demoing, or, you know, just kind of trying out right now for my brand. I'm testing out a few different things, but I do like this one the most. So these are actually silicone, so these are not very hard to the hair. So when you put this on the scalp, it's going to feel really nice. And it also has 3 speeds of vibration, so I really like that. And you also can hold it into your hand very nicely. And I'm just going to turn it on, and I take that back. I definitely can feel the cooling sensation on my scalp now. It definitely takes a little minute, but I do wish that the exfoliation was a little bit deeper, or, you know, you could really feel it a little bit more. All right, so I just got out the shower. My scalp feels pretty good. My hair does not feel dry, doesn't feel stripped, anything of that nature. Let me see what it looks like. I mean, yeah, my scalp looks pretty clean, so I honestly will definitely probably be revisiting that shampoo. My hair feels fine. Like I said, it doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel stripped. And that's a plus for me. So 10 out of 10, shout out to Briogeo. So now I'm about to actually just saturate my hair because I'm going to be deep conditioning. A lot of you know that I don't really, or I haven't been necessarily conditioning my hair, just because it's just kind of like it's short. And I used to use like conditioner to actually just go ahead and detangle my hair, but I've already done that. So now we're about to actually step into the deep conditioning process. So let me saturate my hair and show you the deep conditioner that I'll be using. All right, so today for deep conditioner, I am going to be using the Adwoa Beauty. This is their Baobab Mint Deep Conditioning Treatment. It has baobab, wintergreen, spearmint, and peppermint oils. And this is specifically for dry textured hair. All right, so you do get about 16 ounces of product, which is probably unheard of when it comes to the natural hair community. And honestly, it is pretty much filled to the brim. It is a pretty thick product, like it's not coming out of the jar, so I think my hair is gonna actually like this. So I'm just gonna go in with about this much product and begin to, you know, just place it on the hair. And it definitely has an interesting scent. It doesn't smell weird or anything, but you can tell the mint in it, that you can tell that there's mint in there. So as you apply it to the hair, I thought the product was going to be way thicker, but as you begin to apply it to the hair, it definitely has a lot more slip and it does begin to loosen up. That's interesting. I really thought it was going to be like thick. I don't know, somewhat like the Shea Moisture Honey Manuka mask, how thick it is on the hair, which I do like. But as you begin to apply this to the hair, it definitely feels like it gets lighter in consistency, if that makes sense, and it starts to loosen up. Okay, so I have evenly distributed the product all throughout my hair, and I can definitely already feel that mint start tingling on my scalp. And I didn't even really put it too close to my scalp, but I am going to put my hair up in a plastic bag. Typically I would steam it, but I really just want to see how the product works in this method. Some initial things I would say, it has great slip. Definitely wowed me with the slip because I thought it would be a little bit more thick than it was. I would say that, you know, when using this product, definitely want to make sure that your hair is on the wet side, a little bit more wet than damp, just so that you can have a little bit more ease when detangling. And what else do I have to say? I just had it in my head. A little bit goes a long way. You do not need that much of this product. I didn't even barely put a dent in the container. So I personally really like that, because deep conditioner, I personally deep condition every time I do wash my hair. That's just something that works for me and for my hair type. But yeah, that's just, you know, how I feel. So I feel like I could get a lot of use out of this deep conditioner. But I'm about to go and let this sit in my hair, and then I'm gonna rinse this out, and I'll give you all like kind of, not my really like my final review, but I'll kind of give you my first impression and if I will continue to use the product. All right, y'all, so I just rinsed out the deep conditioner. It's good. I like it. My hair feels so soft. It feels so manageable. While my hair was underneath the cap, my scalp was very tingly. It felt very nice. And when I rinsed my hair out, my hair still felt very soft, felt very manageable. So I would definitely be revisiting this product, and this will definitely be staying within the rotation. So shout out to Adwoa Beauty. All right, so today all I'm doing is a wash and go. I just came out of a protective style, so I don't really want to do too much to my hair, and that's just what that is. So first, before anything, you already know what's about to come and you already know what's about to happen. I'm going to be taking some of my Imania Beauty High Maintenance Elixir. This is my multi-purpose hair and scalp oil. I use it two ways when I do a wash and go. So first, I'm going to start by taking a full dropper, and I'm just going to begin applying it to my scalp. So I do this before I even put in and begin to layer my product, solely because I want to just stimulate some hair growth, some healthy hair growth on my scalp. So that's why I do it as the first kind of step within my wash and go routine. And then I'm also going to use it at the end once I have layered all of my products to be my sealant, to seal in that moisture, to reduce frizz. And depending on the type of gel that I use today, it might leave a crunchy cast, it might not, but putting that oil on top of that will break the cast of the gel and just kind of keep my hair, keep the moisture in my hair all sealed in. So I am feeling like a side part today, so I'm just gonna take the end of my rat tail comb, or the tail of the rat tail comb, and kind of swoop my hair over. I think that'll be cute because I can have like a little, you know, fun in the front. So all right, so you already know, if you know me, if you're new here, you are not getting no real results with no wash and go if your hair is not wet, if it's not saturated. So I'm just going to drench my hair in some H2O. Okay, so as you can see, my hair, well, this little section of my hair is completely saturated. I have already done my wash and go slash, I wouldn't even really call it a finger coil. I mean, not finger coil, I shingled the ends basically. But today I'm going to be using some products that I don't usually use on my hair, and I want to share them with y'all. So for my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Lovely Bees. This is their leave-in conditioner, and it has castor oil, honey, aloe vera, rice, and oat protein. So far since I've been using it, it has a really good slip. It feels very nice on the hair, feels very moisturizing. It's lightweight and it's not too heavy or too thick. So it's not gonna feel like my hair is super weighed down, but it definitely feels like my hair is going to be soft and manageable for the days to come. So I'm just gonna put that all on this section. All right, and then I'm just gonna section off my hair in very small pieces. The way that I get my wash and goes to last, especially as my hair is so short, well, honestly, with my hair long, short, whatever, I just always make sure to section my hair, because that's gonna ensure that I'm able to really get that definition that I like with my hair, and also evenly distribute the product all to every section. So now I have this little cute section, and if I need a little bit more leave-in, I'll put some more, but I don't think I need any more, honestly. So I'm just gonna go in with this this fake Denman brush, and I'm just going to begin to lightly detangle my hair from the root, not the root, the ends upward. But my hair really doesn't need that much detangling because the deep conditioner did me really good. So my hair is definitely still feeling very soft and manageable, and my curls have a lot of spring, bounce, and coils going on. All right, so today for gel, I'm actually going to be using the Yall Organics. This is the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel. I don't know, y'all tell me how y'all like this gel. I've used it before, I think maybe for a slick back. I don't reach for it too often, but as I'm applying it to my hair, it just kind of feels watery a little bit, but my curls are holding, so I don't really know what's the truth. But I guess, you know, I'll see by the time my hair dries if it's the gel that's feeling a little watery. It just feels like it's not sticking to my hair, but like I said, we'll see once my hair is dry. So basically, as I have evenly distributed the gel onto my hair, I'm just gonna take a small piece and begin to just shingle towards the end of it, and that's literally it. And I like doing that now since my hair is getting a little bit longer, just because, I don't know, it just makes it easier for definition purposes. And my hair will honestly last longer if I was opposed to me just slapping gel on my hair. And yeah, I just like to focus the shingle part mostly towards the end of the hair opposed to the beginning or like the root, because by then when you do that, if you do it towards the root, it's basically a finger coil, but the shingle is more so towards the end of the hair. And I'll zoom in so y'all can see what I'm doing a little bit closer. All right, y'all, so these are the curls. This is how my definition is looking. Okay, you see it. So basically, I like to make sure that my hair has enough time to dry, or that it can dry properly. So I always go in with a microfiber towel or a t-shirt, and I just soak up any excess product. All right, so I'm gonna let this air dry just a little bit like this. I am going to diffuse my hair, but I will come back and show you all the final results and my final thoughts on some of the new products that I use. All right, y'all, so my hair is pretty much dry. It definitely still has some ways to dry, but it's fine. I'm sure tomorrow it'll be, you know, completely dry, but I did diffuse it a little bit, and I kind of just used the actual nozzle of the blow dryer. But now to seal in some of that moisture and just to make sure that my hair is nice and sealed in, I am gonna take my Imania Beauty High Maintenance Elixir. When formulating this, I did ensure that I used oils that were non-greasy. So when formulating the High Maintenance Elixir, I did use two amazing non-greasy oils, such as meadow foam seed oil as well as safflower seed oils. And these two oils are amazing because they do not feel greasy on the hair, but they also are very similar to the natural sebum that our hair produces. So it does help with sebum production and will not cause your hair to get overly greasy. Instead, it'll just keep your hair feeling very soft and stilling in that moisture and not making your hair feel weighed down. So I'm going to take about 2 to 3 drops. We'll see how much I need, and I'm really gonna just focus it towards the ends of my hair. And this is also going to help because I'm gonna probably pick my hair out just a little bit. It'll help to reduce frizz, and it is best to kind of put your oils on your hair when your hair is damp. So it's when it's like in between being dry but not all the way dry. So you definitely want to make sure that your hair definitely still has some moisture to it. So now I'm just gonna take this end of my comb and kind of give my hair some, you know, just pick it a little bit to give it some more volume. And when you pick, you don't want the pick to go all the way through. You just want to pick at the root. Okay, so I like my hair to have a more pushback look. I thought my hair was long enough for a side ponytail. I mean, a side part. I was sadly mistaken. But I saw this hack on TikTok. I can't remember exactly who did it. But they were using like crochet hair to kind of make a bun of their hair. But I'm like, I don't got enough hair to make a bun. But I can make it like a faux headband. So we're going to try that today. So I took 2 pieces of the crochet hair that I used to do my faux... So I'm gonna take 2 pieces of the crochet hair that I used to do my faux locks, and I'm just gonna place it gently in the front of my forehead. I'm gonna tie it very gently in the back once. And since the hair is a little bit longer, I'm probably just gonna bring it to the front. And I don't wanna do this too tight because I know like wearing headbands and stuff, I get headaches very easily. And I'm gonna tie this. Oops. And it's hard because I got these damn nails. Tie this once. Slide it back some. Maybe this piece right here. And then since it's a bit longer, I'm probably gonna try to bobby pin it towards the back. All right, and then I feel like you can really just push this back as far as you want. I just feel like since my hair is in such an awkward length, I really don't like it to just, it just be looking weird to me sometimes. So I just kind of want to, you know, give it a different look. I think that's kind of cute. Y'all let me know if y'all think it's kind of cute or it's mad obvious. Let me know.